In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create neon glow text in PowerPoint, a fun and eye-catching effect that can really make your presentations stand out. Whether you're looking to jazz up a slide for a corporate meeting, or you simply love experimenting with PowerPoint's capabilities, adding a neon glow to your text is surprisingly simple. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can master this creative feature in just a few steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the bottom left of your screen and click on the Windows icon. From there, you'll launch Microsoft PowerPoint. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using the latest version of PowerPoint, as some features and options might vary slightly between updates. Once you've got PowerPoint open, you have the option to either open an existing presentation or start anew with a blank slide. If you're creating a new presentation, you can go ahead and populate it with your chosen photos, tables, and any other content necessary for your slide. This gives context and anchors your upcoming neon text against other elements on the slide. Now, it's time to focus on the text you want to transform. Select the text by clicking on it. This highlights your target and prepares it for editing. Next, you'll need to locate the Drawing Tools Format tab, often found at the top of your interface. This toolbar is essential as it hosts various formatting options tailored for your text and shape customization. Within the Format tab, look for the Text Effects button. If you're working with a text box, however, this may appear as Shape Effects. Clicking this will present a range of style effects, from shadows to 3D rotations, but we'll be focusing on the glow effect today. Hover over the glow option, and you'll see a list of preset glows that you can apply with just a single click. These presets are ready-made combinations designed to quickly give your text a vibrant halo, reflecting the neon aesthetic. If you're someone who enjoys fine-tuning details, you might prefer using the glow options instead. Clicking on this allows for more precise control over the appearance of your neon text. You'll find options to modify the glow's color, adjusting from softer tones to bright hues, thus personalizing it to fit your presentation's theme. Additionally, you can alter the size of the glow to enhance its visibility, and tweak the transparency settings to adjust how pronounced the glow will appear. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily incorporate dynamic neon glow text into your PowerPoint presentations, adding a fun and innovative touch to your slides. Whether you opt for the speedy presets or dive into the custom settings, this technique can transform any ordinary text into an attention-grabbing feature. Happy creating!